British Transport Commission early diesel locomotives and prototypes. So what's this video and playlist about? Well, it's about the fascinating history of the development of our railway locomotives. At the end of World War II, our railways and locomotives were worn out. Such had been their huge service to the war effort. The British Transport Commission, BTC, was created by Clement Attlee's post-war Labour government as part of its nationalisation programme. It came into operation on the 1st of January 1948. Under its auspices, the 1955 modernisation plan and diesel locomotive pilot scheme was started, and this brought about many diesel locomotive prototypes and interesting locomotives. One of the plan's stated aims was to phase out steam as soon as possible, and many will later argue that this was a mistake, as many of the standard class steam locomotives were still in construction and expected to be working until the 1980s. The videos in this series seek to chart the progress of the plan using my models and rolling stock. We are really spoilt for choice these days, with Howgen, Bachmann, Dapol, KR models and others bringing very rare or little known early diesel class locomotives to market. So please check out the videos in the BTC, British Transport Commission Early Diesel Locomotives playlist and discover some of our railway's fascinating history. Real loco sound is included with all the classes featured.